Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an account in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into accounts in the bottom right corner and then tap on the circle in the top right corner. And then in this little pop-up, we can just tap on add account. Here it's going to redirect us to the beginning phase when we first open the app. And here we can just tap on sign up or log in, depending on whether we already have another account or if we just want to create another one. And then we can just proceed based on this. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.